Good evening, students. Today we will discuss chapter number 2, Reserve Bank of India. First of all, we will discuss some topics like history of Reserve Bank of India, its organization structure, function, monetary and fiscal policy, and credit control measures. So the first topic is history of Reserve Bank of India. Students, the Reserve Bank of India was a private bank before 1926. But in 1926, Hilter-Young Commission or the Royal Commission of Indian Currency Finance, they took a decision to convert this bank, Reserve Bank of India, to a government bank. So on 1st April 1935, the Reserve Bank of India was nationalized and its acts was passed before 1st April 1934. So students, first the initial headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India after nationalization was in Kolkata, but then it shifted to Bombay in 1937 because that time Bombay has become the financial capital of India and its paid up capital at that time was 5 crore. In 1949, the bank, means the Reserve Bank of India, has started nationalizing other banks also, and other private banks they converted into nationalized bank. The first governor after nationalization in 1935 of Reserve Bank of India was Sir Osborne Smith, and he was governor from 1935 to 1937. The first Indian governor of Reserve Bank of India was from 1945 to 1949. Students, the RBI's financial year was started from 1st July to 30th June. But all the other financial or organizations, different financial organization or different organizations, they have the financial year from April to March. But RBI has the financial year of 1st July to 30th June. RBI does the note printing, whatever note we are using in the market, they do the note printing, but they didn't print the coins. So we have discussed here, students, in the first part, the history of RBI. I hope you have understand this topic. Thank you.